Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll be going over how to tile a floor, tools and materials needed to tile a floor. Also, I had to pay someone to do this, so I'm aware that it's a good skill to have, and trust me, it ain't cheap. First, you're going to start by cleaning the floor surface so that there is nothing on the floor that will affect your cement board from laying down flat. Once your surface is clean, you can start putting down your cement boards. Some of the cement boards might not fit, therefore you'll have to cut them. For this, you're going to need a box cutter and a grinder. As you can see, the contractor just sliced through it easily with the box cutter. Then after, you just fit it in perfectly, align it, make sure everything is perfectly leveled, as the contractor is doing right now. For the more technical cuts, I rather use the grinder. After putting down your cement boards, you start nailing them on the floor. The nails that we're using is the 1 3/4 inches roofing nail, which offer the length and durability that we need to keep the cement boards down. I know that you're probably looking like, yeah, it looks pretty easy, but trust me, it's more technical than it looks, especially the cutting and making sure your cuts are good where the cement board fits perfectly. Voila. And this is how your cement board should be looking once you get all of them down on the floor. It should be perfectly leveled, nothing bulging out. Once all done with laying the cement board, the contractor start laying out the tiles on the floor without adding any mortar. This is so he can get an understanding of the floor's level, how he's going to lay the tile, and how many tiles he's going to need. Once it's all done, you start adding the tile mortar on the floor. Make sure that the mortar is leveled out. You could get a flooring trowel for that, to give it that nice even finish. Then you're ready to start laying your tiles. Add a little mortar on the back of your tile. Make sure it's laid evenly with the other tiles. Once the tile is laid out evenly, you start placing your dividers them in. Also, some of the tiles will need to be cut, so you need a tile cutter or an angle grinder. And as we progress, you can see how it looks nice and leveled. All the tiles are positioned evenly, and this is what your floor should be looking like once finished. All that's actually left for us to do is just to grout everything out. We did a lot of tiling, so not only do we have to grout the floors, we have to grout this whole first floor bathroom as well. I might do another video explaining how to grout, but first let's see how this video do. But for now, thanks for watching, and like and subscribe.